Welcome back to Power Drive, your go-to channel for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Hyundai i20, a car that has always been a crowd favorite in the premium hatchback segment. Let's find out what makes this new iteration stand out and why it continues to impress. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 i20 is its refreshed design. Hyundai has given the car a sharper, more aerodynamic look with sleek LED headlights, a bold front grille, and dynamic character lines running along the sides. The alloy wheels and the redesigned rear bumper add to its sporty appeal. It's a head-turner, no doubt about it, and Hyundai has clearly worked hard to make sure this car stands out on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels both modern and premium. The 2025 i20 comes with a spacious interior, with high-quality materials and thoughtful touches everywhere. The digital instrument cluster and the large touch-screen infotainment system catch your eye immediately. The system supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and Hyundai's connected car tech ensures you stay ahead with features like remote engine start, climate control, and even live location tracking. Comfort-wise, the i20 delivers big time. The seats are well cushioned, with ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. Rear seat passengers get dedicated AC vents and charging ports, making it a practical choice for families and long drives. The boot space is generous for a hatchback, ensuring you can pack all your essentials with ease. Under the hood, the 2025 Hyundai i20 comes with multiple engine options, including a refined petrol engine and a punchy turbocharged option for enthusiasts. The engines are mated to a range of transmissions, including a smooth CVT, a 6-speed manual, and even an intelligent manual transmission, catering to different driving preferences. The performance is responsive and peppy, especially with the turbo engine, while the suspension setup provides a balanced ride, handling city roads and highways effortlessly. One area where the i20 excels is safety. Hyundai has equipped it with a host of safety features, including 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and a rear-view camera with parking sensors. Additionally, the car comes with advanced driver assist features like lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control in higher variants, setting a new benchmark in the segment. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the i20 is no slouch either. The petrol engine variants deliver impressive mileage, making it both fun to drive and light on the wallet. For those conscious about emissions, Hyundai has ensured that all engines comply with the latest BS6 Phase 2 norms. Finally, the 2025 Hyundai i20 comes in a variety of vibrant color options, letting you pick one that suits your style. With its combination of style, technology, comfort, and performance, it's clear why this hatchback remains a favorite among buyers. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Power Drive for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest cars. Until next time, stay safe and keep driving.